Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about the unit circle. This is kind of a big deal in this class, so I just wanted to make sure that it had its own video, so you can just refer back to that. So this is the entire circle, and think about this as a coordinate plane. So like this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, and so I'm going to blow it up. But what we're going to do is we're going to go around, and this deals with the special angles. So, and remember, all of these lengths of these hypotenuses are 1. So that's what makes it the unit circle. We're going to start at 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. So each little, I call this like a little pizza slice. These, like every single pizza slice that's 1 away from the x-axis, that's going to be a 30-degree angle, like a 30-degree reference angle. So this is 180, and 180 minus 30 degrees is 150. And then let's go back to this one. 180 minus 45 degrees is 135, and 180 minus 60 degrees is 120. So we're going to keep that like it's consistent. So this angle is going to be an additional 30 degrees. So it's going to be 210, and then additional 45 degrees is 225. Additional 60 is 270. I'm sorry, 240, and then 270. So this all the way around is going to be 360 degrees. And so subtract 30 from that is going to be 330. Subtract 45 is 315. And subtract 60 is going to be 300. So these, I'm going to zoom out a little bit. These are the special angles. They stay consistent every single time. Okay, so let me erase this in the middle. We are not going to talk about these spots yet. That's going to get into the next unit, but we're going to hit this. So these coordinate points are a big deal to us right now. And so think about this. Our vertex says 0, 0. So if this is 1 unit over, this is going to be 1, 0, 0, 1, -1, 0, and 0, -1. Okay, so if you'll think back to the lesson 1 notes from unit 2, part 1, this is representative, this 30-degree angle, our x value is representative of the cosine of 30 degrees. So the cosine of 30 degrees is the square root of 3 over 2. And the sine of 30 degrees is 1/2. And so 45 degrees, square root of 2 over 2, square root of 2 over 2. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, go back to that first video. And then 1/2 square root of 3 over 2. So these are going to be consistent all the way around. So every 30-degree reference angle, so that 1 pizza slice away from the x-axis, it's all going to be square root of 3 over 2 and 1/2 for sine, except the sign difference. So we'll talk about the sign. I just want to kind of really feel the pattern out first, and then we'll talk about the difference in signs. Okay, so again, every x value represents cosine, and every y value represents sine. So think about it in alphabetical order. Cosine comes before sine, x, and y. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about is the signs. So in the first quadrant, everything is positive. Then in the second quadrant, if I just put a point here, that x would be negative and my y would be positive. If I come down here and put that here, both the x and y, x and y are going to be negative. And then over here, if I put a dot here, I'm going to have a positive x, but a negative y. And if I come up here, we already have that, everything's negative. So this is something that you will need to memorize. It really is going to help you moving forward. It's a really nice visual to have as well.